How to fix missing chat history sync in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix missing chat history sync in Messenger. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Messenger application on a device. Now make sure to log into your account. Head towards the three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Now tap gear icon at top right to access settings page. Scroll down. Now select Privacy and Safety under Preferences section. Tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now select Security Alerts. And now open Manage Security Alerts and make sure to toggle on the both options under Manage Security Alerts. Once done, come back to the security and make sure you need to turn on the secure stories and enable safe website browsing if it is not already on. Now, you need to simply update application. For that, you need to head towards Play Store or App Store and then search for Messenger app. If you see any updates, you simply need to select the update button and update it to the latest version. By now, the sync issue should be resolved. If this guide was helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.